My next song will be I'm Yours from Jason Raz. You're so hot that I melted, I fell right through the cracks. But I tried to get back. Oh, you done got me in bed, I felt it. I tried to be cool, but you're so hot that I melted, I fell right through the cracks. And I tried to get back. Won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Oh, you done me and you bet I felt it. Sorry, I'm gonna start again. Oh, you done me and you bet I felt it. You tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. This that nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to bring some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate. Our time is short. It cannot wait. I'm yours. So I drew your face and I laughed. I guess what I'll be saying is there is no better reason to rid yourself of vanity and just go with the seasons. But it's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is yours. This is our fate. I'm yours. Thank you.
Please put your hands together for Shavonte.